World's first God, Vinayaka. This day has to be a best day. Please bless me, God. Daddy? Daddy!
What happened, my son? You're calling me so lovingly early in the morning. Why? Do you want some money? Huh?
Dad, please call me mommy.
What is the reason?
I tell you, call her.
I'll call her. Lakshmi! Hey, Lakshmi! She'll come only if I call her Sita Lakshmi. Hey, Sita Lakshmi!
Oh my god, why are you screaming like this? What do you want
Why are
now?
you asking me? You ask your son.
What
Mom,
happened
this
here?
is it, isn't it?
Yes.
Please be there, okay?
Hey, what is he doing? Why are you coming around us like this?
Please bless me, Dad.
My dear son, just like how Vinayaka went around Shiva and Parvati, you are coming around the both of us. What is the reason, my son?
Dad, today I have a revision test in school, so I have to get a good mark in that. Please bless me, Dad.
Oh, is it so? Okay.
Darling, today our son has the exams. Let me bring some sweets, okay?
My dear son, instead of worshipping the gods, you're worshipping us?
Dad and Mummy are the first God, and then only God.
Oh no, I can't believe this. I'm really proud of you, my son. I wish every family is blessed with a son like you.
Don't flatter me too much, Dad. I have goosebumps.
Hey, please wait. Before you go, worship Lord Vinayaka.
Vinayaka is always with me, Dad.
I just can't believe what happened. My son has become so religious and pious.
Darling, idol of Ganesha is lost.
What? The idol is gone.
Oh my God, Murugeshan God, please give me everything to me.
Marudamalai Lord, you have to bless everyone. We have got you as a boon from Lord Parani. Why are you looking so devotional today?
Daddy, you always say Muruga, right? I also have the same blood of yours, Daddy.
Let me praise the Lord Muruga. Muruga, my God, my Savior, who answers all my prayers, who has given me a lovely son. What should I call you? What should I call you, my son Parani?
What are you, darling? Why are you singing about Kandapurana?
Darling, look at our son Parani. Till yesterday, he did not have faith. Now he has become highly devotional. It is amazing.
Oh, what happened, my dear son?
Today I'm having exam at school, Mom.
Very good, my dear. Before you go to school now, I'll get everything ready, right? Okay?
Okay,
Huh.
Mom. Daddy, I need your blessings today.
My son, you are not going to an examination. You are going to a war. Examination is like a war, my son. Yes, son. You will be successful.
I will pass my
Lord
examination.
Muruga,
I will pass
you have
my
been
exam.
kind to me.
I will pass
Very
my
kind to
exam.
me.
We lost the silver whale, which we planned to donate to Tiruchendur Muruga.
Muruga.
Oh God, please help me. I want to study well. I should get good marks in all the exam. I should become school first. I should become district first. Please God help me. Please. Oh, please God.
Hey.
Please.
In being religious, my son is just like my
What
dad.
you said? Just like your dad, huh? Nobody is a fraud just like your father. When he first time came to see me, he said he didn't want any dowry. But you know, before tying the knot, he wanted 10,000 rupees. Or else he'll not tie the knot. That's what your father said, right? But my son is just like my father.
Hey, there's nothing good about your dad. He borrowed 10,000 on our wedding day. He didn't return it so far. You're talking about him?
Dad, just leave it. Mom, why are you always fighting with Dad? I have to go to school. Get the tiffin box ready. But one condition. 10 idli, 20 dosa. Only this should be packed, okay? Because I'm on diet. So, Mom.
You're just like your father.
Dad,
Yes.
I'm not like both of these fathers. My way is a unique way.
Hey, what is so special today? You've been worshipping the goddess like this?
Daddy, politicians get devotion during the election time. For the cine people, they get the devotion during the film release. For the students like me, devotion comes when only the exam comes. Om Shakti. Om
Hey, what?
Shakti.
You have exams today?
Yes, Daddy.
How much money do you want?
I need 280 rupees, Daddy.
Here, take 300 rupees. Go and pay the exam fees with this.
Dad, I only need 280 rupees. You keep this 20 rupees. Why are you looking like that, Daddy? Your hard work, so much to get each and every penny in life. Please keep that money in your pocket, Daddy.
Hey, I'm so grateful to God that He has blessed me with a son like you.
You will come to know about your luck after some time, Daddy.
Did you say anything?
No, nothing, Dad. You're talking non-stop. How can I go to exam, Dad?
Okay, carry on.
Om Shakti.
Om Shakti.
Om Shakti. Om Shakti.
What? 1,000 rupees is missing?
All together for this idol, I will give you 3,000 rupees.
Get some more money, Sedji.
What? I don't have the habit of negotiating, okay? Basically, I will not buy these kind of theft materials also. There is a saying that dropped Vinayaka idol will bring you luck. That is the reason I purchased this.
You are lagging so much for Vinayaka. His brother, Murugan's veil is here. How much you will give for
Huh?
this?
I don't want the sin of separating two brothers. For this veil, I'll give you 1,000 rupees. All in the name of God. Here is the sum of 4,000 rupees. Have it.
From now onwards,
Everything is success for us.
Swamiye Saranamayappa.
Swami. Hello, Swami. When are you going to Sabrimala? I'm asking you only. Why are you not replying to me?
Hey, I'm a teacher and you're a student. Please mind your language when you talk to me.
I know how you became a teacher. You copied from the student who was sitting next to you and you became a teacher. But I'm not like that, no? I am straightforward. But I didn't copy from anybody. I was studying in the same class for 2 years. For the past 24 years, I'm studying in the same school.
Hey, don't insult me like this.
Then tell me, should I get in or get out? Tell me fast. Should I be in or out? In, out. In,
Hey,
out.
it'll be good if you get out. Because if you come in, the students will get spoiled.
Which boys? These boys? They are all already spoiled. You know one thing? I was spoiled because of them.
Are you going to leave or not?
Okay. 50 rupees for quarter.
Get out.
Bloody, please give me now.
Hey, get lost.
This is your only bad habit. You will not give. I should only take it. 50 rupees enough for me. Keep this 50 with you. Tomorrow I'll come back. Don't spend
Go.
it. Swami!
The biggest mistake I did was having him as my friend. Veeramani,
Prasanth Sami.
why are you calling me Swami?
Yes, Sami. You are about to go to Sabrimala now. So we should not call you as Sir. We should call you as Sami. Sami.
Hey. Already my name is P.T. Swami. You were waiting to call me by name. Now you've got a very good chance of doing that. Sit down.
How is it, Sami? There is a saying, master's son is a fool. Your father is also a master. Still, you are very, very sharp, Sami. How is it possible, Sami?
Sit down. Pooja,
Present, sir.
Anita,
Yes, sir.
Vicky,
Prasanth Sami.
Parani,
Prasanth Sami.
Lakshmipati.
Prasanth Sami.
Huh? Hey, all three of you get up. Hey, I want Vicky, Parani, Lakshmipati, all three of you to stand up right now. Get up. Huh? Why did you answer for them?
They are all my friends.
Because of that, you'll do this? This won't work. You bring your father.
He won't come, Sami, because in AVM studio he is giving voice to Chiranjeevi sir.
Then ask your mother to come.
She is dubbing for Vijay Shanti.
Huh? Hey, your entire family is giving voice for others?
Sami, yes, Sami.
What are you staring at?
Are you going to beat me?
What will you do if I beat you?
Okay, then beat me.
Come on, show your hand.
If I show you, you'll beat me.
Hey, do you want me to break your head? Huh?
I think you didn't get the news, Sami. Sami, in Pudukkottai, a student was beaten by a master like you. He had poison and died in the hospital. So that master was dismissed from the school. And one more thing, in our Chennai Vilivakam area, a student named Ramu was beaten by a master and he gave complaint in the police station. The master was sent to prison. Now the master's wife is running from police station to high court and again high court to police station. She is running and roaming here and there. Not only that, the master's son was also serving tea in the police station. I heard about it. Why am I telling you all this? You beat Sami. Beat Sami. I heard your son also studying in the same school. Beat Sami. Sami, beat Sami. Beat me, 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 Sami.
Hey, stop it. Stop it, I say. What are you all doing? Huh? If you study well, you can become a doctor, engineer, or even become a commissioner. If you don't study, you'll all be grazing cattle all your life. Who's the loser? Now listen to me carefully. If you don't concentrate on your studies and don't be disciplined when you're young, you'll never come up in life. I don't even bother. Hey, we are just counting our days and counting our money.
Hey, yesterday someone hugs you, no?
I'll beat you with slippers.
Hey, look at your slippers. Your slippers has been downed.
Shut up, you bloody.
What do you say, my darling?
I will
Hey,
kick
why are
you.
you getting
Be
angry?
careful.
Hey, she's not a girl, yeah. She's a vampire.
Correct, dude. You know, guys, to be tease these girls in the morning, it's so special and cold.
If she beat with the slippers, you'll be feel blessed, yeah. I know your policy. Even then, you'll be so happy, right?
Correct, dude. Hey, look at that. Your lover is coming.
Hello, Chandru. You are so dashing, Chandru.
Yeah.
But same old brother, same old bike. Even the dress is also old, yaar. But only the figure is super fresh. Super, yaar.
It's superb, superb.
I'll take care of them. You just leave, okay?
Dude, if she's spitting also, she's look like a cute doll.
You will say all this, yeah. Okay, leave it. Just for a change today, we all are going to class today.
You're going to class, ah?
Why are you asking like that, man? You know who is coming to take the history class?
Who is that?
It's Gayatri teacher.
Gajni Muhammad had an eye on India at any cost. He wanted to conquer India. Regarding that, he was asking his chief how to conquer the India. Overnight, he took all his battalions and declared war over India, and that's how he started the war. He entered India with an expectation to conquer India. If you keep trying, you will definitely get a success. He started the war. His first attempt was the biggest flop, then again he tried. Even on the second attempt, he lost. At the time also, he did not lose his hope. He again tried a war. He tried like this, and on the 17th time, he conquered India. Vicky, what did you learn from this? Tell me.
Ma'am, I've seen this back of this girl, ma'am.
Ma'am, you teared my top.
What is this?
What, ma'am?
What is that in your hand?
This is my kerchief, that's it.
Let me see it. Is this your kerchief?
For me, this is only kerchief, ma'am.
Get out from the class. Bring your father and meet the principal.
What do you want to say for your son's mistake?
What are you saying, sir? My boy is not like that at all. You're blaming him without any reason. He can never do such a thing.
You know what your son has done? Your son has teared the shirt of this girl.
Teacher, I know about my boy. Don't accuse him unnecessarily.
Please don't support your son, okay? What your son did was wrong.
Are you saying that I didn't bring him up well? My son is not like that, sir.
If our teacher is saying that your son has made a mistake, that means your son is guilty.
No, sir, what I'm trying
Listen, this is the last warning. If he repeats it again, I'll give him TC. You can take him now. You may also go, teacher.
Stupid.
Superstar Rajinikanth will announce the next movie at the earliest.
Don't stare at me like that.
Hey, dude, how is my lover?
She's just super, yeah.
Hey, she's my lover.
Oh, come on, yeah. You're getting shy. That's why I said like that, okay?
Dude, I like her so much.
You said you like her. Every day you're putting hole on this paper and shaking this side and that side. When it comes to love, you have to take instant decision. Hey, see her? I think she will swallow you.
I know that, dude. My dad brought me strictly.
All daddies are same, man. No use.
Whenever I see a girl, I like to talk to her. When I get in front of, it's shivering da.
What is this here? You get shivering by seeing the girls, huh? Whenever I see a boy, I'm really getting shivering, you know?
Why, dude?
Look, dude. When I see a super figure,
Okay.
then I follow her regularly. I will get her whatever she wants. I'll slowly pick her up to my level. But on the way, other guy will come and take over her. Da. So that I don't even like my father's face. Yeah, I'm saying the truth. Really. See, just imagine she is coming here.
Okay.
You know what you should do? When she get near,
When she get near,
super.
super.
Hey, bloody fool. If I say super, she will fall in love with me, da.
Oh God.
You have to say that
Okay,
word.
okay, fine.
Huh. Hey, she's coming. Super.
Hey, who were you talking about?
No, yeah. He was talking about some film dialogue.
Uh-huh. Stupid.
Huh? About whom you said?
In the same film, the heroine will scold the hero like this only. That's what I said.
Oh, that's it. I thought she was firing me.
Dude, she's telling stupid. Will she loves me?
Hey, you're good for nothing, yaar. See, when a girl comes and tell you regularly, stupid, later on, the same girl will tell you, husband.
So she will tell definitely, right?
Hey, leave me.
Hey,
I'm getting food.
please,
I'm
tell and
going.
go.
Leave me
Please,
alone.
please,
No.
dude.
Hey, dude, your figure is coming, so don't wait till your love. Don't miss it, okay? I warn you.
Hey, I'm so afraid, yaar.
Hey, you fool. If you're scared, you should not love. If you love, you should not scare, okay? So go and tell you love.
Hey, dude, she gone to toilet.
Wow, that's great. To tell you love. This is the best place, yaar. Go and tell.
Dude, I'm so scared. What shall I
said
do?
to go there.
It's a ladies' toilet.
Are you going to do or else I will go and tell her.
Okay, go now. Okay, fine. Dude, I'm so scared.
I'll get this fellow. I will go and tell her. Leave it.
Cool down, dude.
I have sent this guy inside, yeah. I don't know what is going to happen.
Excuse me.
Hey, how dare you come into the ladies' toilet?
Okay, sorry. Time, please.
Is this the place to ask the time?
I love you.
Oh no!
I think he's fired.
Shit!
What is this? Such a complaint has come behind you.
Sir, I was going through that way, sir.
You were going through that way.
That girl was standing there.
This girl was standing there.
I asked her time. That's
You
it.
asked for the time.
Yes, sir.
What's wrong in that?
No, sir. He said, I love you to my daughter.
Hey, were you there on the spot? If you say such things, I'll lose my
Listen,
temper.
calm down. Man, what is this?
Sir, I was going through that way, sir.
You were going through that way.
Girl was standing over there,
The
sir.
girl was standing over
I
there.
asked her time, sir. That's it.
You asked her, that's it.
Sir, he said, I love you to my daughter.
Oh, as he said or not, you've been repeating I love you for
Hey,
1,000 times now.
relax. Calm down. Hey, please tell me again.
Sir, I was going through that way, sir.
You were going through
Girl
that way.
was standing over there,
Yeah,
sir.
she
Hey,
was
stop it.
standing
My daughter was not coming that way and you didn't say I love you. Enough?
Then why did he call us all?
Oh, you want to know? I'll tell you. Wait. It's all my fate. That's all. I made a mistake by putting my girl in this school. Come on, let's go.
If you had told me, I would have given my slipper to you.
What is this? I can't believe this man. He is saying your son went to the bathroom and told her that I love you. What do you think about this?
Sir, I am a fan of Santa Chinnappa Devar. I have seen Tyagaraja Bhagavatar's movies, T.R. Mahalingam movies. Have you watched?
Oh yeah, I have seen.
Where did they express their love? On river shores, on the beach shores. But never they said in the restroom.
Not at all.
Then how will my son express love?
Certainly he would not have told.
Ah.
His face itself is so good looking.
Ah.
What will he say? You can take
He
him.
is my son, sir. He will be always blessed by Muruga.
Oh,
Come,
very
Pardy.
good. Thank God, it's all over by now.
Hey! Leave me! Leave me! Leave me!
Leave her, man.
What is this? What's the problem?
Sir, when my girl was traveling in the bus, this bloody fat fellow kissed her.
Hey, did you kiss her?
No, sir. The bus was running so fastly.
Ah.
This girl was standing before me. On my both hands, there was heavy bag. Suddenly, the bus was stopped. I just sit down, sir.
No, sir. Only after the break he kissed my daughter.
You are saying it's a kiss, he is saying hit. It's a kiss or hit. Tell me.
I'll tell you, sir. I'll tell you clearly. When the bus was running so fastly, this girl was standing before me. On my both hands, there was heavy bag, sir. Suddenly, the bus was stopped. I just hit down, sir.
No, sir. After breaking, he kissed my daughter.
Again, he is telling clearly you kissed her.
No, sir.
Tell me the truth.
Okay, I will tell you the truth again, sir. The bus is running so fast.
Enough. Bus didn't go fast. There was no sudden braking. You didn't fall on her. You didn't kiss her. Enough. Get lost. I should have never come here. I'm a fool. I have wasted my time. Totally useless. Come, dear.
That fellow is blaming me, madam.
Just leave him, sir. My son is not such a boy, sir. He is very innocent. He is unnecessarily blaming my son. Come on, my dear.
My son is a very nice boy.
The boy is not guilty. The girl is not bad also. What else do you expect from them?
I am not expecting anything. Leave the place now.
Okay,
Go.
Okay,
that's
come,
all.
I have
that's
work.
all.
Did see you, dude. My girl is standing over there. I have tried so many times propose her, but nothing worked out. Now you give this letter to her. If she read it, that's all. She will surprise.
I don't know whether she will surprised or not, but definitely I'll get a slap.
Dude, we have this muscular body to get beaten by the
Uh-huh.
girls only. Just go.
You'll tell that, yeah, because I'm gonna get the beatings, nah.
Hey, I said go.
I'm talking to myself. Why are you doing this kind of job? Is this necessary for you? He's always spending money for me, right? So I should do this. Go. Excuse me, madam. My friend asked me to give this letter to you. Just read it, ma'am.
You
Mommy!
Leave it, dude. Take it easy. Leave it, leave it.
Hey, what's the problem? What happened?
Sir, Vicky has sent a love letter to me, sir.
He gave you a love letter? Good, it's in English.
Oh God.
Hey, Vicky, come here.
Hey, he's calling you.
Why did you give this girl a love letter?
Sir, this is not a love letter, sir.
Then what is this?
She asked me which movie you have seen recently. That's what I written it.
Movie? My dear, from the day I saw you, I'm thinking about you. I'm dreaming about you all the time. I'm in love with you. I really want you, and I want to be yours. Hey, you look so beautiful. My sweetheart, with love, voice. Hey, all these are movie names?
Yes, sir. There is a new movie named Love Diary. He forgot to write that, sir.
Dear, are these movie names?
Yes, sir.
You said it's a love letter.
No, sir. I got a bit confused.
You got confused and confused me too. Hey, are they naming movies like this?
Yeah, sir. Recently, one movie released like this. Dude, show it, dude.
Hey girl, you're looking so damn cute, damn cute, damn cute, damn cute.
Hey, stop it.
damn cute.
What are you doing? This is all too much minded. Hey, show your dancing talents in the coming cultural show. I don't want to get insulted anymore. I'll take the next bus. See you in
Sir,
school.
letter, please.
Here.
Hey, you are putting to the master, huh? We are not scared anything, okay? Come on, dude.
Just stop it, okay?
Who is that?
Don't play with me, okay?
Dude, my lover is cursing us. The entire area is fire.
Let it fire, yeah. We can put down the fire.
1 minute, darling. Darling,
Yeah, what do you want? Tell me.
tomorrow our Vicky school has
Ah.
Parents' Day function. And
Okay.
they are conducting dance show also.
Ah.
Actually, he wants us to be there. Shall we go, darling?
What? Are you out of your mind? I'm working in a private company. Do you know the kind of pressure I'm going through every day? If I don't go to the office, I'm finished. That's all. I want you to go, but then you won't go without me. What can I do? You are like that. What shall we do? For the next Parents' Day, me and your mom will come and dance for a duet song together.
Oof.
Are you happy?
It's better not come over there.
Okay. Take care. Bye.
Mhm. My father is so busy, dude. He's not coming Parents' Day function.
Dude, my father is out of station.
You know something? My father is so lazy. If I say Parents' Day function, he will ask, what is that? Why is that? He will make me mad before completing my explanation. Parents' Day function will be over. That's why I didn't inform my father here. Hey, see there! Our girls are coming.
Hey, dude, going for swimming.
They are looking gorgeous, right?
Shall we go and surrender to them?
Hey, that's so bad, yeah.
What's so bad, yeah? Many politicians are surrendered themselves too. Get something done, yeah.
So, shall we surrender to them?
Definitely we should get surrendered to them.
Hey, Pooja, come
hey,
here.
Puni!
Come here.
Hello, what do you want?
Unless we fall down their feet, we can't get their attention. So we'll start the action.
See, we have done so many mistakes. Please forgive us.
For the upcoming Parents' Day function, we have to do programs together.
So you girls, please
Forgive us.
Hey, guys,
just get up, okay?
Get up. It's
Okay,
okay, it's
okay.
okay. Get up. We
That's
have
enough.
forgiven you.
Forgiven, okay?
Okay. We will celebrate the Parents' Day in a good way, okay? Is it fine with you?
Okay.
Hey dude, most of them saying smoking is injurious to health. Give me. Let me check out that. Wait dude, this thing is really injurious to
Hey,
health.
he is good for nothing da. He don't know to do anything completely. Just give it to me. Hey, that message was absolutely right, yaar. It's really very bad to health.
Hey,
Just
small
keep it, I
boys,
don't want it.
I'll show you to how to use this, how to play with this. Wait and watch.
Hey, in circus they show technique. Even in cinemas they will show techniques.
Yes.
How can he show techniques in smoking?
Let us see.
What is this? Smoke in the terrace? Oh my Murugan!
Oh my god, my dad. Hide that. Let me start reading.
Let's take that.
Huh? What are you guys doing?
Vel Muruga.
Vetrivel Muruga.
Vel Muruga.
Vetrivel Muruga.
Vel Muruga.
Vetrivel Muruga.
Oh wow! You guys are praying before you're studying. If you pray, definitely you can study. I knew my sons are very good. Muruga,
You call me father?
study well. You will study well.
Yeah, okay, dad.
Okay.
Why your father is like this?
Hey, my father is like that, dude.
Hey, dude, don't your father have a little bit sense? How your mother leading this family with this person?
What to do?
His mother should get an award for this.
Most of the dads are like this.
Comparing to this, my mother should get Oscar award. My father is such a torturing person. Come, let's go.
Hello, girls. If you put it in the right way, it will fall into the basket.
If you didn't push in the proper way, it will fall down.
Then we are not responsible.
Play sincerely.
Super short, girls. Short means like this only.
This is what we expected.
Wow.
Oh my god, what a lovely throw, what a lovely jump. I can't take the eyes out of them.
Oh my
They are lovely.
Hey,
Teacher,
what are you guys doing here? All the other boys are playing cricket. Why are you standing here and watching the girls?
What? Cricket? I don't like that game. What, teacher? One boy has a small ball, another boy has a small bat. They keep hitting.
All are catching that ball.
Is that a game? Should we go and watch it? Look at this game, sir. Beautiful, sweet game. Very interesting. See it.
Huh?
What, teacher? Why are you staring at me?
Hey, is it not enough that you got spoiled? You're spoiling these boys too?
Huh? These guys. They are not only spoiled, Swami, they are naughty, nasty guys.
Are you going to beat us?
Hey,
Dude.
Hey, watch
Don't
the
miss
game,
the game.
yeah. That girl is playing very nicely.
Hey, how about my girl?
Hi, girls. You should jump a little more. Only then we can see.
hey girls! Hey, come on!
You did exactly what I asked for.
Come higher! Come on!
Yes. This is exactly what I wanted.
Show us what you can do.
Keep doing the same. Come
Hey
here.
guys, what are you doing into our school campus? Are you going to go out or not? Hey, leave my hands. Listen to what I say. Guys, come here and see
Some
what's happening.
street-side Romeos are disturbing our girls here. We should do something. Come on, let's go and save them.
Guys, come on. Leave my hand.
This is
Leave my
what
hand,
we
okay?
are expecting. Friends, just do whatever you want. We won't disturb you and we won't interfere.
This is the matinee show for us.
Hey, leave my hand.
Why are you doing like this? Hey, they are our school girls. Come, Vicky.
Dude, they are look like a third-rate gangster group, okay? We are just a school student. So shut your mouth and stay here.
Hey, I am a lion. Are you telling this to me? Take the hand.
Dude, definitely will get beaten.
Hey, stop it. Don't stop this lion. Hey! Come and touch me. Touch me here. Or touch here. Why are you touching them, dog? Come here. If you're a daredevil, come and touch me, boys. Come on. See this. Look at this. See my steel body. This is like anaconda. My strength. Come on. Ugh. Come on. Come on. Touch me. Hey, why are you staring there, man? The lion is standing here. Look at me. Hey, if you're street rowdies or street Romeos, we'll be scared, huh? You will have seen several beatings, but the way of my beating is much different. Vicky, I called you now, but you didn't come here. Now I'm the school hero. Hereafter, all the girls will come and fall in love with me, da. So many times you have been with me, but what is the use of being with me? You're all lazy and lousy people, yaar. Huh? Where is that yellow shirt guy? Call him, call him. Where is he? That yellow shirt guy. Hey, Jimbo, did you see that yellow shirt guy? Where is that guy? I want him. Call that boy. Yellow shirt guy, where are you? Come on, come friend of me. I want you. I will fight with you. Hey, hey, where is that boy? Where is that yellow shirt guy?
You don't fight alone.
Hey.
I'm searching for you, da. Where are you? Hey, yellow shirt, you can't escape from me. If I catch you, I'll kick you. Huh? What he is doing? What happened to him? Hey, red shirt. Cool down. Cool down. Brother, see, I have released you from the fits. What, brother? Remember one thing. Whenever you come out, always come around with someone else. See how you done so far. Okay, that's okay. Have you seen that yellow shirt guy? Oh my god, I think he's dumb.
Hey, I'm not dumb, man.
Oh, you can talk, huh?
Yeah.
I think you're blind.
Hey, who can't see, man?
Oh, you can see me, huh? Did you see that yellow shirt guy?
No, I didn't see.
Then give me that back iron rod. You continue your dance, man. Yellow shirt. Where are you, man? Hey, darling, come here. Have you seen that yellow shirt guy? I'm asking you only, darling. Why are you staring at me?
How dare you call me darling? I will finish you, okay? Be careful.
Where is that black gorilla? Hey, black gorilla, where are you? Hey, brother, that yellow guy.
Hey, what, man? Why are you looking for me? What is your problem?
Nothing, bro. No girls are here, right? Brother, from morning itself I have been searching for you to ask
All right,
forgive
that's
me.
fine. You should not come this side.
No,
yeah,
brother,
leave.
I won't come. Bye-bye.
Yeah, okay.
Get lost, you guys. Get lost. If anyone come to this place, I'll get the TC and run out from this school. Because I can't get the beatings, sir. I can't bear it.
Dude, you are fighting well done.
If I would have entered, the scene would have been different.
Okay, stop it. Don't talk about your boring stories.
Hey, bro.
Ah.
That yellow shirt has surrendered to me. I just kicked that guy very hardly. High five. Okay, come on, guys. I think the girls are waiting to tell us thanks, huh? Come on, let's go and talk to them.
Yes, yes, come fast. Otherwise,
Yeah,
you'll go with
go
someone
slow.
else.
Thank you, Vicky.
Thanks, Vicky.
Hey, darling, you won't say anything to me?
Okay, thanks.
Just thanks only, huh?
Then what?
I thought we can book a room in the hotel and
Put a room?
we can eat 2 idlis, no?
Dude, I think both the girls are fall in love with us. Ah.
Hey, guys. I know what you're thinking in your mind.
Hey, what you said?
Bloody damn it.
Uh-huh. Hey, dude. I thought they will be grateful to us, da. But they leave us just like that, da.
Hey, dude, we fought for them, but totally waste,
Huh?
yaar.
Dude, sooner or later, one day both the girls will fall in love with us. Wait and watch.
If you say something, that will be right, da.
My dear students, today I'm going to.
Teacher!
Huh?
Hey, good morning, teacher. I was searching for you at home. You are here? You are not there. I was about to leave when your wife came and said, brother, please have some coffee and go. But you know my liver is spoiled because of alcohol. The doctors have told me no coffee or tea. So I said, okay, sister, give me boost. The boost was very hot and nice. Teacher, you have become so lousy nowadays. Now, I'm not telling you. Your wife told me this. I guess you have forgotten your cell phone. Keep it. She told me a lot of other things about you which I cannot tell here because all the people will laugh. Oh, why should I bother? Should I go in or out? In, out, in, out, in.
Please go and sit.
Why are you so tense, master? Hey, look at our master. Huh? Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you, da? Hey, I'm back in the class.
My dear students, I want to know how much you have understood from the lessons that I taught you all yesterday. I'm going to ask you some questions. There is a saying that when the mother dives 8 feet, the young one dives 16 feet. Can anyone give an example?
I'll tell, sir.
Come on, go ahead.
If his father drink one quarter, he will be flat. But even if his son takes off, he will be steady.
Good, girl, good.
Huh? Sit down. I'm not going to ask you any more questions. If you have any doubts in the lesson I'm teaching, please go ahead and ask me.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Hey, Lakshmi Buddy, you have a doubt? Come on, ask me.
Will Puliraja get said, sir?
Huh? If Pulirani gets AIDS, he'll also get it. Sit down.
This guy told me to ask you, sir.
No more questions to you. I'm going to start the lesson. Please understand if you can. The rest, don't disturb the class.
Hello? Is that my cousin? I am in the classroom. Tamil teacher, he is blabbering. What about the cotton seed and oil cake? Send it fast. My cows are starving here.
This guy will never change. Go to hell.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hey.
Hello. Can you hear me? Yeah, I can hear you. How are you? Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah. Yes, 12 me. Correct. Then, yeah, it's a very good class. What about you? Yeah, right. Hey.
I'll put the tickets for evening show.
Stop it, guys.
Definitely
What's
come.
happening?
Don't worry.
Don't you have any respect? You guys are crossing the limits. You get angry if I scold you. You complain if I beat you. One thing is for sure. You guys are going to regret someday. I don't know who invented cell phones. Now everyone is having one and keeps talking all the time. I have to find the guy who invented this and... Hello?
It's me only. You just soaked the clothes and went, and the dish is also left over. The vegetables also there. Did Ayappa told you to do not do all this works? Just come home. I'll show you.
Well, even if I find the guy who invented this, I can't do anything.
You set up one girl near your home, right? What happened?
She's packed on my face, da.
The same thing is happened our school life also, da.
Even no one is getting attracting towards us.
Hey, I'm also trying to catch a fish with bite, but not even a single girl got attracted, da.
What?
Okay, come on, let's go.
Okay.
My God, see, dude. I think something is happening over there.
Dude, we will escape.
Yes,
Hey.
Cap!
Wait. Hey, come here.
Why they are calling us?
How do I know? Today they are looking very different.
Dude, don't get scared. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, come on. why did you call us?
Hey, do you want our friendship?
We need your love only.
See, there is no difference between love and friendship. We also like to have fun.
But for that, telling love in the toilets, kissing in the bus, and in school, cutting the jacket. Don't you feel this is wrong? Tell me, guys.
We have done all that for just an entertainment.
Just want to have fun, right?
Okay, from today we are good friends and good lovers, okay? Okay.
Okay. Then where should we book the room tomorrow? Shit. Where shall we meet?
We can meet anywhere.
From morning itself, you both are given a company to us. Thanks so much.
We had a nice time with you guys.
You had a time pass because of us, that's
Okay, we'll meet tomorrow at
Hey,
school.
just a second. I want to tell you one important thing. Shall we go there and talk, please?
Why you want to go and talk there?
I can't tell you right here. If you both come over there, I'll tell you.
If he says something, there will be a matter.
Hey, dude, morning you said something, no? It's very important matter. Go.
Yeah,
I'll tell you.
please, come
Please
over
go.
there.
Please go.
Hey, please.
Are you mad or what? Don't you know how to behave with a girl?
You're not eligible to be friends and lovers. Stupid. See what and all they're doing, huh?
Shit.
Brother, you behave so cheap, da.
What about you then,
Mummy.
bloody scoundrel?
It's okay. Everything comes to
We
normal.
don't want your friendship anymore.
Stupid fellows.
No,
If I give you
don't
a
eat
punch,
that.
you know what
That's
will happen?
over, na. Leave me alone. Go, girl. Go.
Don't tell it in school, okay?
Hey, don't tell to English teacher. He will talk about this 3 days. Hey, dude. We played just for fun, right? She slapped me, yaar.
As usual, man. Don't take it serious, okay? Come.
I don't feel pain when girls beat me, da.
You know one thing, guys? I won't feel for beating us, okay?
Hey, we should feel happy for that, da.
But from morning itself, she all with us. Bike, petrol, cool drinks, ice cream. Nearly 2,000 rupees we have spent for that.
Even that is no problem. It's a normal thing. Even after we're spending all of our money, they didn't allow us to touch them, yeah.
Shit. So that's what I get an angry man.
I never expect this from them, dude.
You're right, dude. It is possible to find out the depth of the ocean. But you can't understand the feeling of a woman. The old sayings are very right, dude.
Stop it, man. Most of the time you blabbering like this only. Dude, we can't get along with them. So leave them.
Yeah.
We should select a girl, someone suitable for us. That's what we have to do.
That's right, yeah.
Of course, dude.
Hey, dude. What a figure she is.
She's not turning this side, dude.
Yes, dude.
Dude, shall we give signal to her?
What signal we have to do? Dude, this is the best signal, I think.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning, dude.
Good morning, man.
Hey, dude. Somebody is selling that Max teacher. And science teacher has got connection. Is that right?
Stop it, man. Even in the morning time also, you won't say single good word.
These all good words, yaar.
Dude, she's superb, dude.
She's so sexy, da.
I feel so excited, yaar. Super figure, yaar. Hey, you just see that? I think that old man will be there.
Don't worry, we can manage it.
Yes, dude.
Yeah,
Come on,
yeah,
let's
okay,
go.
come.
Na 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 na.
How are you, ma'am?
Hey, who are you guys?
We are staying opposite flat only. If you need any favor, just tell us.
Oh, the other day you only showed hi
Yeah,
to
yeah,
me,
we
right?
are only-
Okay.
Whatever you need, ask us without hesitation.
Instantly we'll do, ma'am.
Why are you doing all this?
It's all social service, ma'am.
What? Social service, huh? Hey. If I was a 60-year-old lady, would you have done social service for me?
We'll do it for your granddaughter.
You guys are so funny. Okay, from today we all are friends. I'm Nandini.
I'm Vicky, ma'am.
I
Hello.
am Parani, madam.
Hi.
I am Lakshmi Pati.
Hello.
Thank you.
Okay, we'll meet up all tomorrow,
bye.
okay? Bye-bye.
How was the shake hands, man?
Just like we kept our hands in freezer, doll.
Hey guys, you don't worry. If I take money and promise to do something, I will never take rest before finishing it. I have arranged for 3 girls. Just by looking at them, your friends are going to get so jealous.
Okay, how much will cost?
Each 300, so for 3 it's 900.
Give him, dude.
Come on, let me have it, huh?
Keep this with you. They will come on time now.
Uncle will take care of everything, doll.
Yeah.
This boy has exactly understood my talent. Right when the clock strikes 9, the girls I'm sending will come and stand next to you, okay?
It's not just coming. Will they hug us frequently?
Well, don't you worry. Even if you try to push them away, they will chase you around and give you a hug.
Then, dude, surely tomorrow we're gonna tease our girls, right?
Work it, dude.
Where is our girls, dude?
Dude, forget our girls, ra. What about brokers' girls?
It's already 9, dude.
Vicky, see there. 9 o'clock girls are coming. Hello, 9 o'clock parties.
Hey, boys, come and help them, no, please.
Please leave me.
You said you wanted to have fun, no? Now see what happened.
We didn't come. You'll be out of this place. Just come.
You should suffer like this only.
Dude, we planned to tease them, but they teased us.
That idiot broker cheated us, da.
Bye.
Hey, that old guy went. Come on.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hello? Auntie? Auntie?
Hello, guys. What's the news?
Madam, Sari is not in home, right?
Now only he went out.
Oh god, we are too late.
Why?
We just want to introduce you, that's all.
Okay, we make a move, ma'am.
Mm.
Oh, ma'am.
Hmm?
I have one small doubt.
What?
Sarah at home, no.
Mm.
That's your dad, right? He is the one told me to ask this.
He only, ma'am.
Hey, you bloody!
He is only my husband.
Vicky? Huh? Hey, where is our friend, yeah?
Hey, look at that, dude.
He's here, huh? Dude, huh? What happened, yeah? Are you upset because of auntie beaten you?
Stop it, man. Don't talk rubbish, okay? Girls beating us, spitting on us. It's all happiest moment in life.
Yes.
So I won't feel for that.
That's what I'm thinking. You won't feel for such things, no?
Then why are you feeling so?
Dude, she said that man is husband, right? That is our plus point.
How, dude? How?
Old husband,
Uh-huh.
youthful wife.
Uh-huh.
That's our best choice. Surely she will like us. Wait and watch.
How can you say that much stronger?
Her age is like that, man.
Hey, dude. I know you do anything to get something. Hey,
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
forget us now, okay?
Come on, let's
Let's
enjoy. Come on.
Cut here. Yeah, cut there. Cut it up also.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning. What, guys? Are you angry that I slapped you yesterday?
No, we won't feel for that, ma'am.
Your hand touched our cheeks, no? Thanks for it, madam.
Oh.
Ma'am, there is a old saying, the same hand that beats you will hug you later.
We are on the way to school. Market is nearby only. If you want a fruits or vegetable means, we will get you.
Even fish also there.
Ma'am, in the market, there are lots of chicken. Do you want that, ma'am?
I don't want that and all. To fix a photo, I need to hit a nail. I thought I'll ask you guys for the help. But you guys have to go to school, right?
That's okay, ma'am. We will manage it.
Hey, you don't want to go to school, is
We
it?
will go school later.
Yeah, ma'am. Even from my grandfather's time, the school is in the same place. That's not important to us. We have to nail and fix up the photo. That is important. Hey, put on the back stuff. We have to fix the photos. Come on, ma'am. We have to
ma'am,
fix
come
the
on,
photos.
come on,
Go
ma'am. Come on.
fast.
Hey, take the hammer and the nail, no? Who's going to climb up and hit the
I
nail?
will do that, ma'am.
Ma'am, I will do it, ma'am.
Hey, if you climb the ladder will not bear your weight. Vicky, you do it, no?
Dude, come and help me.
We will follow your orders, dude. I will hold on, but be careful, okay?
What, yaar? See there and hit the nail. See the nail and nail it.
Oh my god, my finger!
Okay, get down. You prove that you don't know anything.
So much
Can't you be
paining,
careful
ma'am.
in that
I
work?
can't
Hey,
tolerate
take the
this.
cloth and give.
Oh my god, I can't tolerate this pain, ma'am. Please help me something.
Hey,
Please, careful, ma'am. I can't tolerate
Just
this pain,
bear it
ma'am.
for some time, okay?
Oh my god. Oh, it's paining too heavy, ma'am. Oh, careful.
Ma'am, shall I fix the nail, ma'am?
No, there is no pain, ma'am.
Madam, I will fix the nail,
You
madam.
all are small guys. I will do the work. You just hold the ladder, that's enough. Hold it properly, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Hey, the nail is not going inside the wall, Ra.
Madam, don't get down immediately. No matter how long it takes, we'll wait for you. You continuously hit the nail, ma'am. Hey, tell you.
Yeah, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
Hey, that's what I'm telling. It's not going inside, no? We'll do it in another place. Hold the ladder properly.
Dude, shake the ladder.
Hey, what are you guys doing? Don't shake the ladder. Hey, be careful.
Madam.
What do you want?
We want to see madam.
Unless you can't say the reason, you can't meet her in person. You
Is it?
should say the reason. If you all, you can tell me the reason.
Why you can't wear a proper cloth? What is
Madam likes me to see me in this costume.
Oh.
That's why I'm like this.
this? Hey, dude, we have come so far. Without seeing madam, how can we go back to home?
We have come so far and didn't say madam means at any cost. After saying madam only, we are living from this place, okay? What you guys thinking about it? It's a nice idea, right? Come on, tell me, what about you?
Whatever else, we want to see her.
Even the maid said she is not here. Let us search for her. Maybe she will be here, no? After that, we will leave from here.
That's right.
Yeah.
Give me high five.
Okay, done.
Hmm.
Hey,